Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to wear multiple hairs on Roblox. So first of all you have to go to uh, in Avatar and click on Avatar. Now you have to go to Head and Body and go to Hair. Now you will see that if you're trying to select multiple hairs, it will unselect the previous one automatically. You can see. So how can we make it possible? How can we wear multiple hairs on Roblox? So guys, you have first of all you have to tap on or click on the new tab and enter this keyword VT Roblox and just go to this first website. Now you have to make sure that this tab or this extension is installed on your PC. So just click on install button to install. Once it is installed, now you have to tap on extensions and manage extensions. And now you have to make sure that it is enabled in the background. So click on enable button. Now you have to verify your website. Just refresh your website, not verify. So basically you have to refresh your website. I just lost my words. Now you have to go to head and body and go to here. Now if I trying to select multiple hairs, you can see that it let me do now after using this extension. So many viewers asking me their method is not working. I don't know why they are not their method is not working because I just recently done that the same thing and it's working for me. They might not be following the same step that I am doing right now on my PC. So you have to do the same thing that I have just done in this video to get this multiple hairs on Roblox. Or you have, yeah, that's how you can wear multiple hairs on Roblox. So yeah, hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.